Back at it again with a weekly video of the 10x trading options blueprint. Now, before we get started, we have to be thankful for another blessed week of life and another blessed week of opportunities in the market. Now, before we get started, we also have to mention, or I have to mention, please read the disclaimer in the description to understand that this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now, let's get to it. The market has been hot. If you look at the SP, really nice four green days here. Good volume to sustain the move. We're at all-time highs. A rising tide lifts all boats. So we have the Mag 7 and several stocks outside of that rising as well. We look at the QQQ, same thing here. Tech sector, really nice bounce. So the tech sector, the AI sector, semiconductors, all of them are showing really nice bounces. So it's all about, can we sustain this move? Can we continue to have this bullish run? I think it's possible. There's a lot of, catalysts here and there that can alter that, but we're just going to focus on what we're seeing in front of us. And right now, it's a very hot market. So let's just go ahead and dive into it. So the first one of the week was actually Amazon. Amazon, really nice. Same thing that we're always looking for. We're looking for that trend, beautiful trend, just beautiful trend reversal based off of earnings. Typically, when you have a gap up like this, it likes to sell off, but it stayed strong. Really nice push, finished towards its highs, and we had another gap update to these highs. Big volume, finished strong on the day, gave us really good opportunities to make some money. Now, what I want to mention is, because there were several stocks like this too. Let me look. Microsoft on that same day as well, and then we had Google same day as well. Really nice move. That's what I mean when those Mag 7s are really rallying. Now, Google had the biggest return of them all, but however, Amazon provided really good returns like 2 to 3x. Google provided like 5x plus. But what I want you guys to focus on is not how much we're making from the options or the potential of it, it's the actual stock. What to watch for and what to see when it's intraday. Like, look at this beautiful trend. And that's another thing I mentioned to you guys. When there's earnings, loser like this on a stock that has good foundation and is down because of uncertainty or because it didn't provide enough for investors, 9 times out of 10 is going to reverse. And all you have to do is just wait for that momentum to show up, and boom, beautiful volume, beautiful breakout, lovely move. Now I want to show you that intraday move that we're always looking for. So if we go back to that day, we're going back to the third. Same thing every time. Beautiful volume, beautiful push right at the market open, and we're holding to at least 50 to 80% of the ATR. Let's look at Amazon. Going back to that same day again. Going back to the third. Hold on. Boom. Same thing again. Beautiful volume, beautiful volume, beautiful push. Really nice strong action. We're holding to 50 to 80% of the ATR. Let's look at Microsoft. Don't worry. You guys are going to keep seeing this. You guys are going to keep seeing this. Same thing again. Strong, beautiful price action right at the open, and we're holding to 50 to 80% of the ATR. So let's go ahead and go to the next stock. The next stock was, and this was all Monday. Like, that's how hot the market has been. That was all Monday. Let's see. Next one was PLTR the next day. Look at that. And look at what it did on Friday. Look at this move. Look at this move. We get the bounce into the consolidation. Big earnings, big volume, room to run, hot market. And let's go look at the intraday, y'all. Let's go look at this Friday fucking move. My gosh, man. Excuse my language. But let's go look at the intraday, y'all. Look at it. Same thing. Big buying volume right at the market open, and we're holding to 50 to 80% of the ATR. Now, this weren't past this ATR. This was beautiful. This was crazy. This provided over 5x the move. But like I said, don't focus too much on the returns. Focus on what I'm showing you with the daily chart and the intraday chart. That was Tuesday. Wednesday, and the video was nice. Hold on. And the video was really good, nice. It had a nice bounce and push here. His big day was here. This provided a decent return, but Wednesday was kind of a soft day. And then Thursday was nothing. But Friday, my God, like I said, you see the PLTR. Really nice move Friday, but that's not the move I want to show you. The move I want to show you is SpaceX. And I mentioned it on Thursday. I said this stock is setting up for a really big squeeze. You got to look at the behavior of it. One thing you got to remember is that this is an Elon Musk stock. He has a cult supporting him. SpaceX has kind of like a cult supporting him. So you're going to see that people have been buying this whole way down while all these people have been short, institutions short, big retail investors short, but people have been buying all the way down, waiting until it got as low as possible to load up their positions. So you know that squeeze is going to come. As we get to this bottom, you see this increasing volume, but we're not breaking down anymore. That means we have found a bid. That means the buyers are jumping in and the pressure is there for a really nice rally. And look at this big move, y'all. Look at this move. This is the move that I want to show you guys. Look at this move. Oh my goodness. And wait till you see that. And once again, what did I say? That buying volume, that demand that's gonna show you that people are they're itching to get into it. And you're holding for now the ATR is a little difficult for this one because the stock just opened. But and then you're just holding it to 50 to 80% of the ATR. And let me show you the options on this one. My goodness. I was looking at the 120, the 125. I didn't know. I jumped in late on this. I jumped in late, but look at this move right here. No, that's the wrong date. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. Look at that. From a low of 33 cents to $8.41. That's 20x. 20. Now, I did jump in for a nice swing here on the stock because I still see the potential squeezing. Now, it's not over yet because SpaceX is just getting started. SpaceX is just getting started. And I told you guys, like I've been telling you, it's going to be just like Circle. Let me go back. I'm going to keep mentioning this where it had to, is it Circle or, no, not Circle. Yeah, right here, CoreWeave. IPO, sell off to its lows, and then it just rocketed like unbelievable. I'm expecting the same thing from SpaceX. It's far from over. Now, is it going to be a clean, straight rocket? No, but you have to be there for these big volume days and understand that people are dying to get into this. Beautiful, beautiful move. Provided great returns on the day. But that is really it for me, guys. Let me go ahead and show you guys how I ended the week. As you can see here, I ended, let me zoom in a little bit, up 233, so I'm nearly up 100% on the week, first week of the $250 challenge. We're going to see how much further we can go. Now, you just have to remember, risk management is where you want to give yourself asymmetric value. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that the reward is at least 5 to 10 times more than your risk. And it's okay to lose 4 or 5 times because once you get that one trade, it's going to set you up just like this. I promise you. So we're going to continue to work on that. Let me check and see if there's anything else I need to mention to you guys. Nah, that is it. So like I've always said, y'all just remember, risk management is everything. The market can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants. Nothing's guaranteed. And it's on you to protect your bag, to make sure you got enough chips to play with later. Stay safe, stay blessed.